The farm never sleeps, neither do the chores. So let's get started. This is a mulberry tree and it has a lot of fruits, and the good ripe ones are at the top. So I have to climb and make my way up there so that I can get them. The bird really love these fruits. So if you're not up early, they are going to finish all the nice ones, and all you will get is the ones that are not super ripe. In case we've not met before, this is Joy, your farmer, and today I'm giving you an update of some of my fruit trees. Let me make my way down and show you what I've got. Look at how plump and juicy they are. They are very, very delicious. Ooh, we need more. Do you actually know that mulberry leaves are edible? You can pick them, clean them, and then make tea with them. So whenever you have mulberries, don't just leave the leaves. You can also use them. Hey, I'm making a video right now. Please come back later, okay? Thank you. Right now, when they are really nice, no blemishes, you can pick them and make tea with them. So I'm going to look for more fruits because I need to make really good juice. The birds were here before me. Oh, I love birds though, so I will allow them. And all the time I'm harvesting, I make shots. If you don't watch them, high time for you to. Some are very high up there, but we're gonna get them. I am very happy farmer at the moment, and I can't wait to come back every day to be harvesting these fruits. As long as they're in season, we are going to be getting them every single morning. Let us try to climb the loquat tree. All these are blackjacks that I got from the farm making my way to the mulberry tree. So let's go. You'll be my witnesses. You need to be very careful while climbing these trees because they can snap off very easy. The ones up here are even more ripe because we don't get to them very often. And it is loquat season in Kenya. There are so many. This tree is almost falling down. It's not good to eat too many of these, so I'm only going to pick a few, and the rest I'm going to keep them for my friends. They'll be coming over to pick them. I have very good news to share with you. Today I was here looking at the Granadilla plant. It's been here for 2 years, and all the time the flowers would come out, they would fall, and that way I will not have fruits. But hey, right now we are having flowers, and that's not all. Look here, guys, we are having fruits. Not just one fruit, but many, many fruits off of this plant, and I can't express how happy I am. It's been years of waiting. I almost thought that I won't get fruits, but I'm glad I didn't take it down because look at these huge fruits. This one is almost ready, and when it's ready, I'll come back here to show you. Look at this other one. Oh, isn't this amazing? to be able to grow and see things come out like this. Look at this flower. I had so many of them fall like this, and that is why I didn't have fruits, because all the flowers would fall off. I was looking around and I saw some two holes on one of these flower, and I'm suspecting it's also going to fall down because maybe it's some insects which are causing my flowers to fall. So that is something that I need to deal with in future. Maybe do some more sprays on this fruit tree so that I can see if the flowers will stop falling off. And talking of flowers, isn't this a beautiful flower? Seriously, look at how it is. I look at it and think it's so magical. And all these colors, the way they are organized, the way everything is just perfectly placed, it's just so amazing. Yesterday, I harvested some thorn melons, and as you can see, it is very spiky. And I want to show you how I cut it because it looks so beautiful inside. Let me know if you have tried this fruit before, or if you have questions about it. I would appreciate, because I know it is not a very popular fruit. Thorn melons have a lot of seeds inside, and when you squeeze them, they just pop out. The seeds are surrounded by this jelly like substance. Let me show you. It slides when I try to pick it up, but yeah, we've had one, and that's how it behaves. We are going to enjoy these fruits, but also leave some seeds growing for the future. And stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for spending your time with me. I still have a lot more to show you, but for now, have an amazing time. Bye.